Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Android School Bus Tracking using Google API. Let's see the abstract of our project. Now analyze the entire project overview to get the requirements. Project objective was student safety because it's a major concern for both of parents and the school administrator. We are living in hesitant life, so most of the parents are afraid about student status. This app built on both of schools and staffs and the parents. When the students are sitting on the bus, the tracking app start to working for showing the exact place on Google Map. Therefore, the parents are easily able to check the status of bus travel. If face any accident, automatically detect the locations and immediately get first aid to save their life. Let's see the flow diagram of our project. In first of all, login page. If the login page have the user ID password for the students and student parents and attendant, and the schools also having a separate username and password. In login pages are worked by with the Firebase authentication. Is a Firebase authenticated. If you type the username and password, then enter means it's go to and check with the Firebase authentication and user type, check the user type. If the parent at home page, if the parents username is matched with us means go to the parents home page. In the parent home page, track the students and how many distance to the calculating the students. This are all available in the school. Track the student in the bus attendant, track and set the bus location, live location of the school bus live location. Then school home page. Then school home page, add or view the students or create a user as the parent. Add or view the bus and add or view the bus attendant and create a user as a attendant. Thank you. This is our first page of our project, login page. In this login page, first you have the school username and password, or otherwise register as a school. Okay. First of all, first login as a school and demo myself at j@gmail.com as a login. In this page we have the add student, view student, add bus, view bus, add bus, all this happen. First of all, we add the student means in this page we enter all the details of our student. Ram name is Ram and student register number is 006 and Matutavani is her address and Madurai state, Tamil Nadu state, Madurai district and India, and the pickup and dropping location also the Madutani Madurai Tamil Nadu, and the parents name Siva and the parents mobile number, parents mail ID and use the password of the parents. And this is the final one, bus route 6, bus route number 6, and this is the bus number, that's also 06. Okay, then submit the details, sign in with data added to the user collection, then go back, then view student, there's the ROM 06 and bus number is 06. Now merging is completed of bus number 15, then bus number 6, this is the student data. Then go back and add bus I pause the video for entering the, and this is the bus, our bus details of our new bus. And this clicking the submitting details, just a click, then go back and view the bus details on this our project bus details. First of all, bus numbers and bus route number. This are then add bus attendant, and this is the bus attendant details. New attendant Divakar is her name and mobile number. This is the bus number. This is a route of the bus number, route number, and this is a attendant of the ID, attendant ID, and it is a Gmail at your Gmail, and this is a password. Then I press the submit details, enter successfully the added to the user connection. Then view bus attendant. The attendant name is Divakar. Bus route number 6. Bus number is 6. Then go back. Then sign out. Then enter Divakar at gmail.com. Password is 123456. Then press login. Then we enter the d@gmail.com because our Divar at Gmail is d@gmail.com. Then press login. This is of our student Ram. If you want the correct dropping location is get further route means, then here automatically go and search here dropping location and do direction to the route of the direction. Then this is the students of our this is students number. This is our RAM student, and get the direction. Then get the direction of. Then this is the RAM. Then click the RAM and get the Google Map direction, and click the direction of our Google Map. Then the current location to then do reaching location distance, how to go stop, how to drop the student at the location. Then this is useful for the drivers and attendant. And then go back. Then parent login means siva@gmail.com. Then password is 123456. Then press login. Then automatically redirect to the Google Map because where is the buses are coming. If by finding then how many minutes to reach their locations. Then bus is currently located as the here. This is your location. This is your location, and this is bus currently reached here, and this is your reaching location. This is your reaching location, and time to 9 kilometers and 25 minutes to reach your best children as in your home. And thank you for watching. In the parent activity you are in here. That thank you.